Stand up, World Wide Web. It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I got a treat for you today. I'm actually adding a new installment to my YouTube video channel. And so what I'm going to talk about in today's video is a cool little marketing tip, okay? A cool little marketing tips. If you're a person who's building a list and you're wondering, well, what can I start mailing my list? I'm talking about outside of yet another money-making opportunity, lotion, potion, pill. I ain't talking about none of that, right? What else can you mail your list as you're starting to build it? Well, that's what this cool little marketing tip is all about, guys. Why don't you run over to your YouTube channel, and you really don't have to be a video marketer to do this, right? But, you know, create something that your list can use, okay? These guys and gals, they're loyal subscribers to your list. I hate to tell you guys this, but a lot of people just don't unsubscribe because they're too lazy. I know I'm like that. Anyway, I digress. Anyway, so look, so you want to know what to mail your list, right? How about mailing them something that they really can use and that's going to really actually empower them in their internet marketing journey, okay? So you run over to your YouTube channel if you're a video marketer. If you're not, just get creative, guys, and use the written word and write up a nice email, but something that they can use, not another biz-op, okay? So when you do that, right, you take the actual video that you're actually recording. We're talking about something of real value, something that they're going to enjoy, right? And if you're a YouTube video marketer, hello, all my YouTube video marketers, my 90-day video challenge people. So anyway, you upload the video to YouTube, right? Then, guys, you pop over to your actual autoresponder if you got one. Don't worry about it, guys. If you need one, reach out. I'll tell you where you can get one for free. But anyway, you come over here and you write up a blurb for the actual video that you just did. Cool little marketing tips, right? And then, guys, you write it up and you send it to your list. Now, I'm just sending myself a test message, but I'm going to look at it in a minute. But look, how cool was that? How simple was that? And how easy was that, right? We know that a lot of people who are aspiring internet marketers, obviously, they're looking for some cool little internet marketing tips, right? Some affiliate marketing tips for beginners, whatever you want to call it, right? I'm doing the research, guys. I can see what people are looking for. People are looking for marketing tips. 75 out of 100, they're looking for some cool little marketing tips. So I'm talking about cool little marketing tips. I'm going to take the very video that I'm doing when I finish, right? I already wrote up the actual email and sent it to myself. Let's run over to my email, guys, and see if it's there yet. Gmail. I love Gmail. Anyway, so look, once the video is complete and it's all ready for uploading, this is also a cool way to get some more views to your YouTube channel, right? Outside of the generic views you're getting. And there it goes, guys, the cool little marketing tip. So you open it up, and what I'm saying is I'm going to schedule it for a Wednesday, right? So I scheduled it to go out on a Wednesday. We're going to pop it open, and right there, guys, I'm saying, hey, how are you? Happy Wednesday. If you're a person or you're in the process of building a list and you don't know what to mail your loyal subscribers, not another biz-op, lotion, potion, or pill, why not mail them something they really want and or need, like a cool little marketing tip? I'm going to take the video that I just did. You guys are getting this, right? You follow me along, and I'm going to link it right here so that it actually goes back to the YouTube video that I'm going to upload to YouTube as soon as I finish doing this. And you guys are going to see it in real time because I'm going to email it to you. How cool is that for a cool little marketing tip, right? From YouTube to your inbox, and it's something that you can actually use, right? Wow, guys. Hey, look, I just thought that'd be a cool little marketing tip. Guys, make sure you subscribe if this made sense to you. Hit the little bell, man, and give me 2 thumbs up. If this makes sense to you, hit the bell. The next time I upload a video like this, you guys will be some of the first to see it. Well, of course, you guys will be getting on my list too. Anyway, guys, it's back to work. Stay tuned for my next rush hour traffic video. It's coming up somewhere near you really, really soon. Thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.